Today we are talking about instructor live announcements in your class. I have one announcement that I would like for you to share with everybody. People should already know about the open house, but just in case they don't, this upcoming weekend we are having our fitness open house. This is our official opening for our new spaces. We're doing demo classes, which I'll get to in a second. Free childcare, RSVP for kids under 2 years old on the website. You don't have to share all of this. I'm just sharing it with you because I want you to be informed. There's food, giveaways, raffles, and more. There's a Saturday Kids Festival with a game truck. And then we're doing free body composition testing. So what I really want you to announce in class is, and this is something that I've marked up, but this schedule is available at the new group exercise desk, and it's also available in the fitness center. And I've also put it on Facebook, on our open house event page on Facebook, MJCCA Fitness. These are the demo classes, and the demo classes, this is Saturday and this is Sunday. Over here on this side is the times that it's happening, and up here these are the studios. So Group X Studio, this is all happening in Group X. FitLine Studio, that's all happening in FitLine. Cycle HIIT, and then the Mind Body Studio, and these are the things that are happening there. These are the only classes that are going to be happening on October 13th and 14th. No regularly scheduled classes. This is the schedule for October 13th and 14th. I'm probably going to give a little closer, maybe I'll attach this so that you can look at it closer. And that's what I want you to announce in class. Please announce that this replaces our regular group exercise schedule this weekend, October 13th and 14th. Okay? Thanks, guys.